Want to create professional YouTube voiceovers without using your real voice? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use ElevenLabs for high-quality voiceovers step by step. Go to ElevenLabs and sign up using your email or Google account. Start with the free plan if you're just testing. Before generating audio, write a clean YouTube script. Keep sentences short and natural for better voice results. Go to the dashboard and click on Text to Speech. This is where your script turns into voice. Select a voice that matches your content. For YouTube, choose clear, engaging, and natural-sounding voices. Paste your script in small sections instead of one long paragraph. This helps improve quality and control. Adjust stability and clarity. Lower stability sounds more expressive. Higher stability sounds more consistent. Click Generate and listen to your voice. If needed, tweak settings and regenerate. Download each section and combine them later in your video editor. Import your voiceover into editing software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. Add light background music to make your video more engaging, but keep it lower than the voice. Export your video and upload it to YouTube with a good title, thumbnail, and description. Add punctuation to control pauses. Use commas and dots for natural flow. Avoid long robotic sentences. So yeah, that's how to create YouTube voiceovers using ElevenLabs. It's fast, simple, and perfect for faceless YouTube channels.